In this video, I'm going to break down the most common mistakes beginners make when working with concrete and how you can totally avoid them to get that smooth, strong finish every time. Alright, so first off, you gotta mix your concrete right. Too much water? Your mix gets weak and crumbly, and too little means it won't set properly. Always follow the instructions on the bag, but if you're eyeballing it, aim for a consistency like thick oatmeal. Next up, don't rush the pouring. Pouring concrete too fast or unevenly can cause air pockets and cracks later on. After you pour, give it a good screed, that's just a fancy word for leveling it out, so the surface is nice and flat. You'll want to use a trowel to smooth it out once it starts to firm up, but don't wait too long or it'll be a nightmare to work with. Then, curing is massive. Keep that concrete moist for at least a few days so it hardens properly and doesn't crack. Cover it up with plastic sheets or wet burlap if you can. Also, don't forget to prep your base before pouring. A solid, compacted gravel base is key to stopping your concrete from shifting or cracking down the line. Lastly, wear gloves and protect your skin because wet concrete can seriously irritate or burn you. One of the biggest slip-ups I see is not mixing the concrete right, either too watery or too dry, which messes everything up from strength to finish. Another common mistake is pouring in bad weather, like super hot or freezing temps, which can make your concrete cure too fast or freeze before it sets. And then there's the curing part. People often just let their concrete dry out too fast without keeping it damp, leading to cracks and weak spots. To fix these, always check weather before starting. Adjust your mix for conditions if needed, and cover your project to keep the moisture locked in. You know, bighomeprojects.com is pretty cool for hooking homeowners up with local contractors who really know their stuff, so you're not left guessing on who to trust. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid spot to find new gigs and grow your business without all the hassle of cold calling or endless searching.